Today I'm going to talk about the benefits of using fruit nibbler. So this one nibbler in which you can feed your children, small kids, infants with fruits. This is one thing, four functions. So this nibbler, when you give it to your baby, it develops the habit of eating fruits from very tender age, and this nibbler acts as teether as well. So during the first weaning phase, like when your child starts eating fruits or any food for the first time, it's very challenging what to give, what not to give, and how to give. So this fruit nibbler acts in very good manner, and it helps you to feed your baby with fruits or any soft thing that you want your child to introduce. At the same time, this nibbler acts as a pacifier or soother. And the most important thing is if you feed your baby through this feeder, so it develops the motor and sensory skill as well, like holding the feeder. Yes, enjoying. So today I have fed the papaya